Impala. Now that's an Impala. Lowrider. This car should not be here. Ooh, Stingray. Old school cop car. Like, these are cars. SF Camaro. Old school arm Jeep. This is a Jaguar. Alright, we're walking across the street now to where there is a shitload more cars, as you can see. So we're gonna go starting over here and work our way down, because that's how we roll, not me. Oh yeah. There's a couple cars over here. Got a Mercury, Oldsmobile, Chevy, another, what is that? Ooh, a Chrysler, Hot Wheels car. That's pretty cool. Okay. See, now these are cars. Alright. So we're gonna go left and work our way around. So start with the SS. You know, that's a sick car. That's how a Camaro should be. Oh yeah, you guys didn't see that limo. Old school car. Getting super fast. Got Spitfire. Ooh, old Shelby. Is that a Shelby? I don't know. I think so. STS convertible. Oh yeah. SF. Good truck. Where are all the nice cars? Dodge. Stick into your GTX. Alright, now we're going into supercar. Thunderbird. Yeah, this guy's selling his truck. That is a cool car. Yeah. Let's run back. Beauty. Alright, round 3.